2021 Year in Review. This is my 2021 Year in Review for my Zazzle Stores. In 2021, I had 1,838 sales total. Total sales for each store: Miss Rhoadie 1,241, Earrings by Rhoadie 9, Homeschool Me 125, Rhoadie's Kitchen 150, Weddings by Rhoadie 199, Alma Africa 63, Bible Verses and Gifts 51. This is a 42% decrease from the 3,176 sales I had in 2020. Why the great decrease? I believe the decrease came from three main factors: customer behavior, me not being competitive in the face mask department, and me not optimizing hidden products. Customer behavior. In 2020, I was making a record amount of daily sales from March to June as the world was locked down. Two of my biggest sellers in the beginning of the lockdown was puzzles and face masks. Customer behavior. Also, this lockdown occurred right before Mother's and Father's Day holidays, which has been my best-selling times of the year for the past 2 years. So actually, for the past 2 years, I've been selling more products around Mother's and Father's Day than even during the Christmas holidays. However, things changed in 2021 as the world started opening up once again. So my sales was not as high as they were the year prior. So the biggest factor that I believe that caused my sales to decrease is I stopped making face masks. So I believe this is my biggest mistake that caused my sales to tank. I stopped making face masks in 2020 because I thought that face masks would not be around in 2021. I just thought face masks was something that was specific to the year 2020. And the third reason, I didn't know I had hundreds of hidden products. Another reason I believe my sales decreased was because I stopped optimizing my products that were in the red, and they became automatically hidden from Zazzle's marketplace. So I didn't realize I had so many products in the red. So it's very important to just check your view count to see if you have any products that need optimization. Some good news. The big decrease was the result of only 2 stores, which is Miss Rhoadie and Homeschool Me. Most of my stores experienced increase in 2021. So these are the store sales that increased. Earrings by Rhoadie, 29%, Rhoadie's Kitchen, 36%, Weddings by Rhoadie, 34%, Alma Africa, 8.6%, and Bible Verses and Gifts increased by 21%. Strategy for 2022. I need to increase sales for Miss Rhoadie and Homeschool Me while maintaining the increased sales from my other stores. One way is to optimize the storefront page for each store. As I was reviewing my stores with Google Analytics, I discovered that the storefront page was each store's most viewed page. I am going to do this by keeping my storefront page professional and up to date. And what I mean by this is, before I noticed that, my storefront page, it didn't look organized. My banner had one theme, my image categories had another theme, and then I may even have a collection showcase that was out of season. So now I want to keep things more organized. My top 5 best-selling items. My top 4 best-selling products were also bestsellers in 2020. However, the 5th bestseller, which was my Best Mom Ever t-shirt, is a new entry replacing a top-selling puzzle from last year. Final takeaways. In my 2020 wrap-up video, I mentioned that I wanted to create products that would go viral in 2021 and draw customers. However, that did not happen. So my main focus this year is on branding and SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. And I believe this is a better plan because I want to really focus on building longevity and having stores and products that are easily found on the internet, instead of something that may just go viral for a moment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.